Hey everybody, welcome to the inaugural TFL Carter Lake Hill Climb. 3 Americans are about to get into this French, small, weird snail car and drive up this fierce hill climb. And Case is very excited about it.
Yeah, I don't know if very excited is the right way to put it. This car is epically slow, and this is only going to be a hill climb because it's so slow.
At over a mile above sea level, can the French 2CV, the 2CV, complete the TFLclassics hill climb? Now, Brendan, what do you think the 2CV will complete the hill climb in? So it starts here at this stop sign beneath Carter Lake. It winds its way up the switchbacks and finishes there by the water. What do you think it'll do?
I'm gonna say I think we can do it in a minute.
Okay, and what do you think?
Full minute.
What do you think the peak speed is going to be?
Oh gosh. Well, that thing only reads in kilometers an hour. So I think in kilometers per hour, we're probably gonna be reading 40, 30?
Okay.
Somewhere around our max.
So you're thinking like 20, 25 miles an hour.
Yep.
I'm thinking we're gonna hit maybe 40 miles an hour.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Case does not agree.
Yeah, Tommy is saying 40 miles per hour just because he wants to have some different answer for camera, but he knows good and well we're not going to exceed 15.
Well, check this out. So this is a 1982 Citroen 2CV, as the French would say, or at least an American with a bad French accent, and that is a 2-cylinder engine, 602 cc's, 29 horsepower. This is the big block 2CV. This is the most powerful that ever left the factory in this car.
Wow.
I know. This car is so well engineered that one time a gentleman got stranded in the desert and he disassembled the car and turned it into a motorcycle to get up out of the desert.
What?
Yep, famous
That's crazy.
story.
Oh my God.
Oh yes.
This car is terrible already.
Case is in a bad mood.
I was in a great mood earlier. And Tommy was like, hey, let's do a hill climb in the 2CV with 3 people.
So this car weighs, I don't know, 1,400 pounds, something like that, 1,300 pounds.
A lot more than that now.
Yeah, now we probably added several hundred pounds to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a couple hundred, yeah.
Yeah.
Several hundred.
So this is the hill climb here in Colorado. We're like 6,000 feet above sea level, which is 2,000 meters for those of you watching abroad. And we're gonna start the hill climb at the very base of the hill. And then we're gonna just go foot to the floor until we get to the top.
Are you worried about the fact that we're listing a little bit to the right here, Tommy? The 2 of us sitting on one side?
It's a little bit of a list, but that just makes the car better on left-handers.
Oh, okay.
It's like a NASCAR now. It's really good at going left.
And on right-handers, are we gonna roll over?
Yes, that's right. Better hope there's no right turns.
Okay.
No, this car is super soft French suspension, so it's designed to be a little, a little listy. Now there's a gentleman tackling the hill climb now on a bicycle. I am curious, we just passed him on the way to the start. Are we going to be able to beat him up?
Well, and if at any point we run out of juice, I can just have the camera car pull up next to us and Tommy can stick his hand out the window and hold on as he pulls us up the hill, right?
That's right, exactly.
Yeah.
So I'm going to pull out the speedometer app here and give it to Brendan so that our American audience knows how fast we're going. It says we're going 7, that's not right. There it goes, 0, it's reset. Do you want to pull out the timer?
Yeah. This is getting exciting already.
And are you gonna look at your odometer to see how long of a distance we're going?
Are we ready?
Stopwatch ready.
Yeah.
All right, no traffic coming. I'm gonna go full throttle when you tell me, Case.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Starts on a sharp left-hander here. And there we go.
It's quite a throaty noise
It is.
from the 2CV.
Go.
Top of first gear into second.
Oh man.
That's 18 miles an hour now.
I think we lost a little bit when you shifted there. We're going.
Now this 2-cylinder is known around the world for its reliability, but not so much for its speed.
Yeah. Is this interior known for its rattles?
It's known to be quite versatile. This car was designed to go over a plowed field full of vegetables and eggs and not break a single egg.
And we're passing a bicyclist.
Yeah,
Look
we
at
are.
that. We caught up to him.
Oh, we're slowing down though. I haven't been able to hit third. How fast are we going, Brendan? 28.
We're going 28.
Speed limit here I think is 35, 45.
That's not going to be an issue.
Oh, we're losing speed quickly.
Okay, there's
4.
There's the first turn.
What gear are you in?
I'm in the second gear, holding 40 kilometers an hour.
And this is full throttle.
This is all she's got, Case. Oh, we're slowing down.
Here's a turn. Do we need to slow down for the turn?
No, I'm keeping it pinned, Brendan.
Oh God, are we gonna roll?
We're not gonna roll. That's all she's got. What are we doing?
22.
22. Come on, 2CV. Yeah, this is not a safety-oriented vehicle, Case.
No, our doors are about 1.5 inches thick, and the roof is made out of cloth. Kleenex.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh man, that's all
we're
she's
just
got.
maintaining a solid 22.
Hey, we're going though.
It's not losing speed.
It's now
riveting.
Oh
losing
no, now it's losing speed.
21. Oh man. Okay, we got a right-hander here. Hold on.
Gosh.
I'm gonna have to let up a little bit, as you would in a race car.
Geez.
Okay, back to full throttle.
18.
Come on, come on, 2CV.
At what point do you need to go back into first?
I think we're right about here, actually.
Yeah.
Oh!
Synchro's sounding a
There we
little
go.
tired.
Oh, you lost a lot with that.
Yeah.
Got down to 13.
In the second. Oh, we're going. That helps, actually.
Yeah.
The beluga helps.
Do I need to stick my foot out the door and just kind of?
Look at
Give
that
us a
ride
little-
quality, folks.
Is that ride quality, Tommy?
That right
Oh,
there
God.
feels good, right?
I feel like I'm on the open ocean.
All right, we're almost to the finish line, Case.
Oh boy.
Come on, 2CV.
Can you take this turn at 28 miles an
Oh,
hour?
we're going to. You know, it's almost impossible to roll one of these.
Unless you do a J
Okay,
turn, apparently.
here we go.
Oh, jeez.
Finish line is at this gate, and I'll tell you when to stop. And now.
Okay, I think that was our max speed there at 32 miles an hour.
What do you think of that, Tommy? 3 minutes and 4 seconds.
Oh,
man,
gosh.
that's not very good.
Abysmal.
I was way off.
Wow, but just like to point out, we made it to the top. We made it to beautiful Carter Lake.
Yeah, it looks nice up here.
Engine's running beautifully.
Yeah, we're not
Didn't
bad.
overheat?
Didn't overheat.
Didn't die.
I feel good about that.
Yeah.
I feel like the 2CV passed that test with flying colors.
Is that the benchmark now,
That's
Tommy?
now the benchmark.
So now we have to see what can we drive that's normally really slow that can get below 3 minutes?
That's right.
Yeah?
But first, we got to turn around and go down the hill.
Oh gosh.
We just got to turn around here.
Ooh. That sound doesn't make me all that confident in your brakes, Tommy. It's a good thing this is manual.
Good thing it's a manual. Good thing it's so light.
You can use the engine
We
braking.
can just jump out. Oh wow, it is significantly harder to steer with 3 of us in here. We're almost completely out of gas, I just noticed.
Oh jeez. Did you do that intentionally so to get up the hill faster?
Yeah, that's right, that was a weight-saving measure. Cool.
Good thing it doesn't take much gas to get down a hill.
Yeah, but we could lose power brakes.
Jesus.
Alright, gents, now we gotta go down the hill climb.
Just in case you all want to see how fast we go down this hill, I'll show it here for you.
How fast we go barreling toward this.
Yeah. Speed is the issue now for the opposite reason.
And
There's our
actually,
bicyclist friend. He made it to the top too.
actually, it handles really well. You know, as we talked about earlier, it's almost impossible to roll a 2CV.
Yeah. I can see. I mean,
It leans,
it
but
leans quite a bit. But
it never
doesn't-
grabs. Yeah.
Apparently the only way to roll a 2CV is by doing a J turn.
Yes, if you J-turn a 2CV, they will roll pretty easily. And we got new brakes. Did you know we have inboard brakes on this car?
Inboard brakes.
The front brakes are actually off of the transaxle instead of out of the wheels. And that is for less unsprung weight.
Wow.
That is some high-performance stuff right there.
Did we bring something to measure the temperature of your brakes when we're done?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Down the mountain we go. Oh, it goes good going downhill.
You should just not even use that engine at all.
I don't know if I trust the brakes that much, Brendan.
We're not getting spongy at all?
Nope. That ballast that you're providing, working well around the turn.
That's horrible.
Oh, that was great.
Like I was about to lay on top of you there for a second.
Case doesn't trust it at all.
No, not one bit.
He is not a happy camper. But just like that, look at that. We made it down the Carter hill climb.
Yeah. Well, now you have to come to a complete stop though. Can you do it?
I think it can. I'm hoping it can.
Just go barreling through the fence.
Go into the water tank. And just like that, 2CV cast with magnificent colors. You like this car yet?
Makes a hell of a noise when you stop it.
It does, yeah. It's got a nice little squeak just to let you know you're coming to a stop.
I'm running back to the ranch in the F-150 with Cole.
All right. Well, guys, thank you for watching this hill climb, the inaugural hill climb. Big thank you to Brendan and Case. We'll see you on the next one.
Take care.